Uh, Guys, this is my room 434 at the Taj, Mumbai. Perhaps one of the best rooms I've stayed. So I will just take you through the room and tell you about my experience here. So just as we enter, this is a small lobby here. You can see this with very big mirrors on the wall, a nice painting and a place to keep your luggage, nice big almirah over here. If I open this, you can see very spacious and very elegant almirah. Then you have a big mirror again, a wardrobe. Here you can sit down. You have the safekeeping luggage and 3 drawers to keep your things inside. But that's not all. The best part is this is the washroom area. First you have a very big spacious room with what you call as a bathtub. So bathtub is something not very unique. You have bathtubs in many hotels in India, but over here you have a television. So while you take or sit down or relax in your bathtub, you can watch television. Then you have a very big mirror here, and the best part is that most of the toiletries we provide are nature friendly. Look at this brush. Even the keys are like that. That's not all. Here we have the toilet separate, a beautiful, masterpiece. Fantastic. Then this is the place to take shower. What a fantastic place. I wish I could take multiple baths over here. Yes. So the washroom area itself is bigger than a room of a hotel. A room of a hotel is much bigger area. Now let me come to the main living area. So this is the living area. Nice, nice bed that you have. Fantastic. I had a fantastic sleep last night. A very, very elegant picture and a very big space over here. Then you have a sitting space, a sofa, a very elegant sofa, as you see here. Again, a very nice paintings. And for working professionals like me, you have a very, very elegant desk. Wow, what a fantastic desk that you have. Again, a very beautiful sofa over here, and a television which works so efficiently. You have the bar, and you have lot many things over here. Let's see what it is written here. So this is what the Taj is saying. Yeah. Fantastic lampshade. But that's not all. Here, the most surprising thing, you can see the aircrafts. So this hotel is just behind the Terminal 1, Mumbai, and you can actually see the aircrafts flying and being parked. So I just saw a aircraft taking off, and another one is there right in front of me, Indigo, which is parking. So I love the stay here, and I just wanted to share my experience with you of this hotel. What a lovely room. Once again, the full view of the room that has been given to me. And the gallery that you see once again, So it's such a lovely stay here. Thanks, Taj, and thanks to the organizers, Devras, who invited me to Mumbai for this PPP conference. Thank you so much and keep watching my videos, like them, subscribe them, and let's have fun together.